What is up, CTC family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin, and today I want to give my price predictions for 4 cryptocurrencies that have set themselves up for a nice play, in my opinion, and that is, if BTC doesn't crash and wreck us all. I encourage you all to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be aware of when I do these videos, and let's get into it. Okay guys, before we get into this video, make sure you guys check the links in the description below for the Telegram and the Discord group, and make sure you guys come over to ChaseThatCoinTrading.com to take advantage of the free Excel spreadsheet with live coin market cap data. You can also grab yourself a membership to the CTC training videos and also trade calls, one package. All right. So we're going to come over here and I'm going to give my price predictions for 4 cryptocurrencies that have set themselves up for nice plays, like I said, in my opinion. And all of this depends on, BTC's future direction and volatility. Well, velocity. If it pushes down really hard or up, it tends to offset the trade temporarily. None of this is financial advice. All of this is just simply a random guy on YouTube with lines on the chart. Okay. So the first one that we're going to look at is Waves BTC, and this is Bittrex. Now, Waves is a cryptocurrency that has had some good news as far as a partnership with Deloitte. They're going to add some upgrades to their network, making their blockchain one of the fastest blockchains. Okay. As far as the price, I don't think the price has reflected that yet. Okay. They also plan on adding smart contracts. First, non-Turing complete smart contracts, and then Turing complete smart contracts in the future. All right, so that's just some of the software side, but let's talk about what we came here to talk about, which is the charts. But I like to start it off with a little bit of that also. So Waves has an ascending triangle going on here. On the 4-hour, this triangle is beautiful. Okay, so I like to work my way through different time frames. This is a skill that you'll pick up along your trading journey as far as piecing together certain information to come up with one solid bias. I personally do like the ascendant triangle on the 4-hour much better, but I mostly like this gap right here. All right, now there is a way to trade gaps. Many people will tell you different things. I personally trade gaps a little bit different from everyone else. I don't want to get too deep into detail right here because that will throw the whole video off. But I love this gap right here in combination with the ascending triangle for Waves. So where can I see Waves going? I can see Waves breaking out of this ascending triangle. All right. Hitting an established level of resistance and possibly coming up here and testing this previous high. So I can see easily about 36% on the light side for Waves. So the next one that we want to look at is one that everybody hates again, but I'm open to trading it, and that is BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash has already had an ascending triangle going on that it broke out of. Okay, but it has formed a level of very light level, so this is risky. A very light level of support that I do like. All right, so this is one that I am keeping my eye on, and not only am I keeping my eye on, but I very may well enter this trade. Okay, where can I see BCH going from here? I can see it testing the body of the previous high candles, which is 21%. On the heavier side, I can see 40%. All right. Eventually, I'm looking for BCH to come up here and fill out some of this wick back here. I think that will come in the not too distant future. If, scaling issues and different things keep coming for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin does have the advantage of institutional money as its eye on Bitcoin. But if they have their eye on Bitcoin, please believe in some form or fashion, they're looking at Bitcoin Cash. All right, the next one we want to talk about is Tron. And before we go on to Tron, you have to be open and willing to make profits off of the competition of the cryptocurrency that you enjoy. So if you like Ethereum, be open to making profits off of things like Cardano. Okay, so this one did a video on Tron and XRP, whether it was a good time to buy these coins. At the time that I did the video, it was not a good time to buy Tron. Can Tron go down more here? Definitely it can. But Tron has a combination of news and somewhat of some technicals, okay? So it did temporarily break below a level of support, and it looks like it's pivoting and getting ready to push back above this level, okay? So for the fact that it did break structure and still respected structure slightly below the support, I'm looking for it to push back up. And it also has 4 different news events coming up on January 14, 2018, if I'm not mistaken. A coin burn, they're getting listed on another exchange, a partnership announcement. So their main product isn't going to be until a long way out. And I think many competitors are going to, have a product before then. But it is still a pretty bullish idea. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for Tron to break back up above support, all right, on a light side. And with this news event, I think we could possibly get a push up. Well, a news event, the technicals, and the hype surrounding this coin. A lot of people are excited about this coin. So with those 3 things, I think we could easily get a pushback up to a 57% profit. Maybe a little bit up more, and then I think we're going to break down to these levels and possibly move sideways here, or maybe push down here. So I'm bullish for the opportunity of Tron short term. Long term, I think it is going to push up, and then it's going to fizzle down, and people are going to get a little antsy and want gains. Last but not least, we're going to talk about Ven. So Ven is VeChain, which is a little bit different from these other cryptocurrencies because I'm a little bit bearish on it. Well, I think the bearish possibilities are a little bit greater. This is one cryptocurrency that I did miss that one of my followers did make me aware of, but so much going on, I couldn't get to it. So I did miss this. That's not why I'm bearish. I'm slightly bearish. Now, there is a possibility. Well, this looks a little better on the daily. Let's look at it on the daily. All right. Well, there is a possibility here for a flag play. Okay, so we could get some quick action in here and get a flag upward. I personally think we're going to get more so of a continuation towards the downside, possibly hitting the slower moving average, which is at 27,976 Satoshis. I am bullish overall, VeChain and Walton, also Wabi. But I think that this one has a little bit of room to come down. Remember what happened to Walton. Walton was the talk of the town, and they did, went up all crazy. They have talks of masternodes. But it went up so much that the price has to come down. People want to take some profits and get into some other projects. All right, guys. So that was my price prediction for those 4 cryptocurrencies. This isn't financial advice. Like I said, this is just a random guy on YouTube talking about charts and with lines on the screen. I encourage you to do your own research and not just take my advice for it. All of these predictions are basically at the whim of BTC. If BTC breaks down a lot here or pushes up very violently, alts tend to sink, or the play kind of stalls, so to speak. So that's that. I encourage you all to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Check the links in the description below. Check out ChaseThatCoinTrading.com. Get that free Excel spreadsheet with live coin market cap data. Follow me on Twitter at ChaseThatCoin. I'm doing a giveaway of some free Bitcoin Buy the Dip shirts. I already gave away 6 of them. You have some more opportunities to win that. And keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.